Okay, I guess the last video I shot, I forgot to push the button. Go figure. Pretty cold. Lots of layers on today. Started a fire out of charcoal for my Darth Vader shaped grill. What I did here is I got up early and started a fire with the express purpose of making some coals. Before I started the fire, I put down 2 flat rocks. See them there. Then once the fire burnt down, I used a shovel and gather up the coals and put them around the rocks. So the rocks are getting nice and hot. I'm going to lay the griddle down, making pancakes this morning. But the first thing first, I'm going to make some hot water so I can have some coffee. Don't worry, I'm only coughing because of the smoke from the fire. One could only hope. All right. Oh, yeah. And then my wood, I stacked it this way. Kindling bag is underneath there so it won't get wet in case it snows. I'm probably going to put a big garbage bag over that. Of course, you need to gather more wood. Always an issue. But there's plenty of stuff around here. So everybody have a great day. Stay safe. Take care.